In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an order fulfillment tracker in ClickUp from scratch. We'll start by creating a dedicated home for all things shipping and orders. Open the left sidebar in ClickUp and click Spaces. Hit the plus icon to add a new space, then give it a clear, memorable name like Order Fulfillment or Shipping and Orders. Pick a distinct icon or emoji, such as a box or a truck, so it stands out in your sidebar. If you like, add a short description to remind your team what this space is for. For example, tracking orders from intake to delivery. When you're ready, click Continue or Create Space. This keeps your fulfillment work neatly separated from everything else. Next, choose the Starter Workflow preset when prompted. This preset is intentionally simple and makes it easy to grow without overwhelming anyone. Confirm the default views. List view for a clean table layout with order details, and board view for a drag and drop pipeline like new, processing, shipped, and delivered. Keep the default click apps, such as priorities and time tracking, enabled for now. You can always fine-tune them later. Back in the Spaces panel, locate your new space and click the plus icon next to it to create a folder. Name it something clear like Fulfillment Pipeline or Orders and Shipping, then click Create. Folders help you group related lists and keep the structure predictable for your team. Inside that folder, click the plus icon again and choose List. Name the list orders and click Create. In this list, each task represents a single order. Use the task name for the order ID or the customer name, whichever your team recognizes fastest. Add essential details in the task description or custom fields, such as customer info, items, shipping address, order date, and due date. Consistent data entry here pays off later when you need to sort, filter, or report. Set up statuses to reflect the order lifecycle. You can stick with defaults like to do, in progress, and done, or customize them to new order, processing, packed, shipped, and delivered. As orders progress, drag them between columns in board view or update the status in list view to keep everything current. Assign each order to the right teammate, set a due date that matches your fulfillment deadline, and use priorities to flag rush orders. Over time, refine your tracker. Adjust statuses to mirror your real-world stages. Add custom fields like order value, shipping method, and carrier and tracking number, and enable more click apps such as time tracking or dependencies. Use reports or views to see how many orders sit in each stage and to filter by assignee or date range. Finally, use this framework daily. Create a new task for every incoming order, move it through statuses as it progresses, and review the list regularly to stay ahead of deadlines and bottlenecks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.